On this video, we're in the wrong place. What's good, everyone? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome and welcome back to Taste the World with Jay. Yes, pakoda, samosas, ladus. Before we get down into our video, I would love to give a shout out to Sky Global Education for sponsoring this video. So if you are any part of Africa and you want to study abroad in Europe, in the US and in Asia, most importantly India and Malaysia, we are here to make it easy for you. No agent fee, no hidden charges, everything is transparent. So I'll put every detail that you need to know in the description. Make sure to check it out and get your opportunity to study abroad. As I was vlogging today, my mood almost got turned off by this guy. Bhaiya, bahut space hai yahan na. So I want to push you. You don't know. You don't come and just push me just like that. Hello, how are you?
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which channel?
It's called Taste the World with Jay. I make food vlogs. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. Food vlog.
Food vlog.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you live now?
I live in Logate. I'm a student at LPU.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
so
your first semester and second.
nah.
Now it's your end of the degree. Yeah. How was the experience there?
Good. It was good. I love the food so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you love the Punjabi foods?
Yeah, chole bhature, amritsari puri, chana and all that. And also butter chicken, most importantly.
Butter chicken.
Yeah. So, like, what phones do you sell here?
I'm not sell their phones. I'm dealing
Accessories.
Mobile
Okay.
accessories, all kind of the like iPhone cases, adapters, data cables, premium quality airports like first copy airports, and branded ones like MI, boat, Truk, and also laser cutting machines for the skins like this.
Okay, that's nice.
You also deal in the mobile repairing.
Okay, mobile repairing
Only
too.
accessory and repairing.
Alright, can you say your number to the screen so that if there's someone who wants to contact you, they can contact you? Okay.
This is my contact number.
Yeah.
And this is my page. And shop name is Fagwada Mobile Covers.
Okay. Alright, no problem then. Alright, Baji. See you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice meeting you too.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
So today I'm in the busy streets of Fagwada where you get anything that you want. Trust me, from the clothes to the vegetables to the food, everything. It's a perfect place to do whatever shopping that you want. So guys, let's go to the shop. I don't remember where I'm supposed to go, by the way. I just have to find my way and remember where I came from. Alright, so then we don't know like where I think we are lost, like for real. We don't even know where we're supposed to go. Damn it. Sorry, bye. Alright, so guys, so the thing is, yesterday do I say I got included in an accident or I got into an accident? English is very, oh yeah. So I got into an accident. You can see I have some scars over here. And then the guy actually ran away. He ran away. He was driving this Creta, a black Creta in Logate. He ran away after hitting me and I had to bear all the charges. He wants to say hi. You're good? Alright then. My legs are painful. But yeah, let's just get to find where we wanna go. Hey, Shamar. Pani. Pani nimbu pani, nimbu pani, nimbu pani ya, nimbu pesang. You know, I've seen about four places where I can buy nimbu pani, but I'm not gonna buy nimbu pani ever again in my whole life. Trust me, it did me bad. I was expecting a certain taste right from it, but then I didn't get it. And from there, I'm like, nimbu pani, we cool. Even if you are good for rehydration and whatnot, man, I'm not doing that.
Yeah, yes, hello.
Hello.
Come. It's nice to meet you. Yes, good. Hi, you are.
आपसे मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई भाई. सत श्री अकाल. हाँ. Oh man, I just love how happy Indian people are. Like, you know, you just meet them on the street, they're like, hey bro, what are you doing? Sat Sri Akal, kaise ho, and all that. It's really perfect. I love it. Anyways, we are still lost. And oh man, okay. I think we are supposed to take this way. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this way or yeah. We are getting there now. We are getting there. Okay, let's bounce. Alright guys, so I've finally found the place. It's just right there. That's where I'm gonna be today, and this is where we're going to try our soup. So I'm sorry if the video is too long. There's someone who came in the comment section and told me that they want to see the journey, the struggles, the determination that we use to get to the place that we want to get. So yeah, you saw that some of the times we get lost. So my journey to get here was one of a kind. I had people pushing me out of the road, like telling me to get out of the road so that they can pass with their bikes, even if there was enough space. Yeah, and also there were people who were greeting us, people who were showering us with love. Another people, I said another people, what the heck is wrong with English? Other people subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is a really amazing thing that I really appreciate. Alright guys, now let's just get to the place that we want to go to and get to the gist of our video. Ini sudah biga now. Why feel it? I don't fly now. Apa parang sama jalebi papa. The other 15 zaka E5. All right. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic here. There's a lot of traffic. Oh, sorry. There's a lot of traffic, but then we are just supposed to go to the other side, and that's it. Okay, I think this is my time right now.
Jalebis are a golden spiral of sweetness with their origin traced back to ancient India and Persia. In Persia, it was called Zalabia. The Indian version evolved uniquely with local ingredients and techniques, first mentioned in the 13th century Indian texts like the Kitab al-Tabik, the Book of Dishes. The ingredients are flour mixed with yogurt for fermentation, sweet syrup made from sugar, water, cardamom, and a touch of saffron or rose water. The Gulab Jamuns, on the other hand, are believed to be inspired by Persian Lukmat al-Qadi, perfected in Mughal India, often considered as a royal dessert. The makeup of this sweet is khoya, which is basically milk solids, mixed into flour, rolled into small balls and deep fried in ghee or oil. The sugar syrup contains rose water, cardamom, and sometimes saffron. Now the sweets are ready, let's get down to business.
Yes, pakoda, samosas, ladus, dal makhani, butter naan, butter chicken, everything.
Go outside of the village outside. Go outside from city, go inside of the village side.
Okay.
The farmers and other working in the farming, working in the field, and come there doing the year. Other countries also coming there. Okay. Can we take this now?
We have this, that's KG YouTube channel.
Taste of what?
Just the word with J.
You are J?
J, yes.
Only J?
Yeah. So now the sweets are all ready and decked up. Let's start with Gulab Jamun. So this sweet, I've seen it being eaten in different occasions: weddings, parties, birthday parties, anniversary celebrations, and all that. So yeah, I think it's worth it because, well, Indians make it look worth it. So let me just get to try it and let you know how it tastes. First of all, what I would say is it's kind of spongy, right? see. So, and it's easy to break. I don't really know the makeup of this thing, but I think flour is included or something of that sort. So yeah, it's easy to break. It's really soft. As I said, it's spongy, you know. Then see, my hands is now, I don't know if it is oil or it is sugar or honey or a sweetener that is making my hands to be this. But yeah, so let's get to try it. First of all, it is a break in my mouth, the type of sweet. So as soon as it mixes up with my saliva, it just breaks up and that's it. But I think Gulab Jamun is the least sweetest sweet among the Indian sweets, because this, I would choose it over anything. Only that it takes a short time to be finished, because all it needs is for me to just throw it like this and I'm good to go. But if you have diabetes or diabetes in your family gene, generational curse that you have, don't, because these are really sweet and I think it's a lot of sweetener in there. This would make you sick. But for us people who do not have complications, we can go over and over and over again. Wow. Now next, we'll go to our jalebis. So this thing is crunchy on the outside and then soft in the inside. So like it is filled with the sweetener that you saw on the other, like previously. Right? So I can even press it and it will, you see some sweetener right there. It's dropping like that. Right? So just gonna break a little bit and taste it. All right, here goes. As I say, it is crunchy, but on this one, those who have diabetes, please, highly, I do not recommend this one, because as it says that it's an Indian sweet, it is really sweet, like really, really, really sweet. So I wouldn't recommend this for those people who have diabetes, because well, it's dangerous. I wouldn't say it's bad, right? But you don't have to take many of them, because the many you take, the less you will get to have your taste. Okay? Okay. So for me, after trying, Gulab Jamun and the jalebis, I would highly recommend a person to take Gulab Jamun, because it has this, what can I say? It gives you an opportunity to just, eat in peace. It's not too sweet, it's not less sweet, it's just right on point. So I would highly recommend this. But I don't know for those who have restaurants out there, I think if you add sort of like a flavor onto the Gulab Jamun, maybe peach, maybe strawberry or something like that. I don't know if it is a violation, but I really think that it's a good recommendation. Like, it's a good thing, it's a good suggestion. You put some flavor onto it, it might become really good. Now, after eating the jalebis and then eating the Gulab Jamun, I think the Gulab Jamun are sort of like a 10 down to the sugar or a 10 down to the sweetener, because the jalebis are way too sweet than the Gulab Jamun. So therefore, I'll rate the Gulab Jamuns a 9 out of a 10. These are really good. Like, trust me, I would highly recommend African, Asian, European, American to try these, because these are really nice. Oh wow. For those who want to know how I would rate the jalebis, jalebis are really sweet, like really sweet. So they're not for everyone. And if you're just anyone, they won't be good to you. So I think the Gulab Jamuns, I'll give them 6 out of a 10, because they have this excessive sweetness that comes with them. But trust me, Indian sweets, I would highly recommend Gulab Jamun. Alright guys, let's meet in the next video. Was this video too short? Like, I don't know. But yeah, I think everything that I wanted to talk about, I've talked about it. Just make sure that we meet in the next video, and please subscribe, click the bell button, comment and drop a like. Make sure that this video is seen by a lot of people, and at the end of the day we get to show the authentic India that the media does not show you. Yeah, I know that maybe it might be unhealthy to keep on having sweet things, but I think this lassi is going to make my day better, because right now I'm feeling my head going. So yeah, I have to. By the way, this is meaty lassi. Alright, yes, it's meaty malai lassi. Meaty malai lassi. Yeah. So it's really thick, and well, let's just get to it. This is somewhere close to milk mixed with sugar alone, and because it has a slight, you know, tanginess to it, souring taste that comes with this one. So it tastes good. I'm trying to analyze to know what else they added in here. Okay, if it's called meaty malai lassi, obviously they added meaty. I don't know what meaty is, but you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is how it looks. So creamy and juicy. So I don't know if you continued from the time that I say I'm ending the video till now, and you're still waiting for the goal to subscribe. Man, I don't know. But if you want to see India on its authentic level, especially when it comes to the food, I know a lot of people have seen this video where it is like, you see that like people put India in a very bad shape, but it's not even bad. Allow me to show you the authentic Indian world of food on Taste the World Day. So subscribe and click the bell button to get notified each and every time that I drop a new video. Wow. I couldn't actually finish these, so I'm gonna look for someone to give them to. Let's just see.
Okay.
See you. Bye. Yeah, man, I don't think there was this other girl that I saw, right? And then she wanted food, but then I don't think a sweet can be food, you know. Wanted to buy her something else, then she quickly went away. Now I have to look for her. And then if I find her, I'm gonna give this. It's like 1 kg of jalebis. Yeah, I just give it to her. Let me find her. So there you go. Ah, man, you know, when you want to find someone at that particular time you don't find them, huh? Next. So I just found someone to give this to. Yeah, after a long walk. Oi, jalebi kahoge? Jalebis kahoge? ठीक है? चलो. Alright. Yeah, now I can finally rest. Alright, let's meet in the next video. Click subscribe, and now let me get my cap.